Angagabira Gru Eby'Obuhingi hamwe n'Oburisa orwesire Comprehensive Africa Agriculture Development Program kwatandikaho ekiro ky'erizooba kandi orukiiko oru rwetabamu amahanga garikuhikana na 9 kandi oryenganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabbanja hamwe na Minisita w'Eby'Obuhingi hamwe n'Oburisa baba bariho omu kwiguraho omukoro ogu oryenganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabbanja yashaba amahanga gona gabiraguju okurekeraho kwejumbira omu kugura ebyokurya omu mahanga g'abajungu kiyambeho abamahanga aga okwetungura hamwe n'okwetungura omu by'obuhingi.
I urge you to deliberately work to reduce Africa's over-reliance on food imports from outside the continent. We must position the continent in such a manner that our agricultural sector is resilient to climate change as well as other shocks and is adaptive to advances in technology.
Ogu yashaba rukura amahanga aga okwongera kutungura hamwe n'okukora n'amahanga gabiraguju akatare ak'ebyobuhingi n'Oburisa kiyambeho kutungura ebyobuhingi n'Oburisa.
To urge you as sector ministers across the continent to continue to guide us on where we need to readjust in order for us to meet our own targets. You will note that CADEP is one of the strategies towards the realization of the Agenda 2063, the Africa we want. Therefore, let us work deliberately to get what we want as a continent.
Aha Nabbanja yashobora ngo abiraguju binikozesa omugisha gubine ogwo kugira ngo itaka eritwine lino orwezo okutunga ebyobuhingi hamwe na n'okumaraho ekizibu ky'okubura okw'ebyokurya.
The African Development Bank report indicates that more than 60% of the Africa's working population is engaged in agriculture. Number 2, that the soil across most of the continent is rich and fertile. Number 3, that the Africa has 65% of the world's remaining uncultivated arable land, and that Africa can or has abundant fresh water with enough rainfall and a good number of days of sunshine each year. Yet in 2021, Africa's food imports were about $100 billion, fueled mainly by the population growth. What a shame.
We or Minisita w'ihanga w'Eby'Obuhingi hamwe n'Oburisa mu ihanga erya Uganda yashobora enshonga n'ahabwenki batireho orukiiko oru.
Uganda, we are privileged that all our concerns have been addressed in this declaration. We intend to commit resources to agriculture sector, to increase agricultural production and productivity, create employment for our people, and industrialization. In this CADEP arrangement, we also encourage intra-African trade. As you are aware, most of the African countries import a lot of food from countries that have got only one season. And yet here in Africa we have 2 seasons, sometimes 3 seasons a year, but we are not tackling our potential. So this concerted effort of African heads of state is to make sure that we provide food and nutrition security for our citizens, create employment, and also industrialize to make sure that whatever we produce, we add value.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano wa Sky Television again Shonga Omar Kampala.